Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Adam, and you are watching Unlimited Options Investing. In this video, I want to talk about the Very Good Food Company, or the Very Good Butchers. They are a plant-based company based out of Victoria, BC, and they make some pretty damn good food. So I've actually been trying it myself, and there's some that I like more than others, but overall it's actually pretty good. The stock price, however, has been doing not so good. It has been getting butchered. It got hyped up last year after Jeremy from Financial Education first started talking about it on his YouTube channel, and the price in Canadian went from $1.50 all the way up to about $9 or so, and then crashing down right now, or it's been maybe a slow bleed. It crashed at the beginning, I guess, once it hit the peak, and then since it hit maybe $6, it started slow bleeding from there to $5, $4, $3, and now it's trading at about $2.90 Canadian. So where's the bottom? Nobody knows. It is a micro or a small cap trading at about 282 million Canadian dollars. So it is very small. It is still very speculative, but they have very good prospects, honestly. I've been really impressed with their products and their services. I had a problem with my last order. I had ordered, I think, 2 shipments, but I only got 1. So I called them, and within 3 minutes of the phone call, I had money refunded to me. So I was really impressed with that. I actually complimented the lady. Told her I was an investor in the company. I don't think she cared. I think she's like, haha, that's awesome, and then whatever. But you know me. But anyway, so we'll get more into details with that. We'll take a look at the charts and all of that. So before we do, if you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. Hit that subscribe button. Here at Unlimited Options Investing, we talk everything from stocks to crypto to options, and we're investing for the long term. And as always, smash that like button and let's get started. All right, so we're going to use the US ticker symbol because in the Canadian one, it had changed exchanges, so the data isn't as updated, or isn't as long dated rather, so I don't have all the information. So if you are a Canadian viewer, just take the US currency and then just convert it. So the ticker symbol for the American version, it's over the counter, is VRYYF with a 52-week range of 97 cents all the way to $7.43. So a huge gap. No 1-year target. Again, it's a very small cap company at $235 million. And we see a year ago, actually, it had IPO'd, I think, early July, I believe, of 2020. So it had just IPO'd, trading just above that $1 mark. And then after Jeremy had started talking about it, it had that huge run up, going up about 400%. And I actually had shares in the company and didn't sell a single one. I was very euphoric at the time. Going back, my crystal ball, wish I sold them all and then I could buy them back lower, but hindsight is 2020, of course. Taking a quick look at their website and shopping and looking at their butcher boxes. So usually I get the Very Good box, and you can actually see they have vegan cheeses, and they've been actually adding on as well these burgers, and I think these are meatballs that they're adding new products. They have cheddar, hot dogs. So this is the one that I really like, the one I like the most of all of them. Specifically, I want to show you guys. So I love the pepperoni. I like the flavored one. So the flavored bangers and the flavored burgers, the smokin' burgers and the smokin' bangers are the best ones. The non-flavored one, they're also good as well, but the flavored ones are way better. Taco stuffers are alright. I know some people that like them. I'm not a big fan, but online a lot of people like them as well. And the candlesticks, and just to show you guys, this is a line I drew a few months ago, maybe back in May. And you can see this trend line I tried to draw. I'm like, hey, if it doesn't break this, then it could recover, and to see it slice right through it, and then it's way lower now. So just to show you guys that you got to be really careful when you're drawing these lines, because you could be drawing them like, oh yeah, that's a line, that's a support, that's a resistance, and it could just slice right through it, and then you get really humbled. And it's happened to me plenty. If you start trading, it's going to happen to you plenty. So just keep that in mind, guys, so you can lose less money than the money that you could be losing if you... So that's just a quick piece of advice. Now, again, that stock price has been on a downtrend. We keep seeing lower lows, and there isn't any indication that we are going to be recovering at any point until we see some kind of anything. But there's no, that indication isn't there yet. Looking at some prior levels of where there could be some buyers. So over here, maybe at this $2 mark, which is the low points of where we are right now. But if we crack that point, then maybe we go as low as maybe $1.63 US. So if we hold this line and we find some buyers, then it could be a great turnaround, and then maybe it starts ripping back up. Like if we break this trend line and it starts with volume, maybe that could be a trend reversal. But if we keep falling, then maybe we fall down to that $1.50 range again, and then who knows. But yeah, just be careful, guys. It is a speculative company, but remember, with high risk comes high reward. So scale appropriately. Do not put yourself in too vulnerable of a position. But at the same time, if this is the kind of company that you think could be a 10-bagger in the future, maybe it is. So let me know, guys, in the comments below what you think. Are you investing in the Very Good Food Company, or are you staying away? Let me know in the comments below. Smash that like button, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe. See you guys in the next video.